Hi all, I will walk you over SAP Assignment 3 today. SAP Assignment 3 is on SAP Lumira Cloud and it is about enriching corporate data. First, you download these telco Excel files, extract 1, extract 2 and plan launch into your My Documents, okay? And then you open your SAP Assignment 3. After you work on the assignment, you have to submit 4 screenshots in a Word document. Okay, so this is the assignment. Okay, so what do we have to do here? We have 3 Excel files. Okay, using the SAP Lumira Cloud, we will be combining these 3 data sources into one unique data set. So this is the first time you will learn how to combine multiple files for data analysis. Okay, we will create new measures and publish it in the cloud so that we can share it with others. What is the scenario here? The industry is telecommunications. The business scenario is that we are highlighting customer behavior analytics, where the lead of a marketing campaign in the telecommunication industry can get a 360-degree view of demographics and usage of the plans devised for consumers. In this use case, we will acquire data from multiple Excel files, combine them, transform and clean the data, find insights using free-form exploration, and share the results with SAP Lumira Cloud. Okay, so first what we will do is we will open the Predictive Analytics. Expert Analytics and then launch SAP Lumira Cloud. This is the key for Predictive Analytics in case it asks you to enter it again. So I'll come here, I'll go get into SAP Predictive Analytics. It's asking me for the key again, so I'll put in the key, save it. Close this one. Okay, come to Expert Analytics, get into Expert Analytics. Okay, from here, choose SAP Lumira Cloud. Okay, then create a new, okay, let it come up. Okay, create a new document, choose Microsoft Excel, go to next, then go to the folder for you, My Documents, where you have saved all the Excel files. From there, choose Telco Extract 1. Okay. Now, show record count. You can see that 23 columns and 17,050 rows of data have been added. Okay. Then use create. Notice one thing here. Measures have all quantitative data. Okay. And then dimensions have all descriptive data. So when you come here in the Visualize tab, the Excel spreadsheet has already arranged itself in measures and dimensions. Okay. Okay. So once you finish the data acquisition, you can look into the Prepare tab, and then from there you can append another data set to it. Okay. So you come here, go to the Prepare tab. When you are in the Prepare tab, you can see the data in that Excel file here, and with it you can also append other data sets. So let's append the second data set that we have. So this is our current data set, and then we will go to add another data set. Same thing, we'll go to Microsoft Excel, go to next, and then we take extract 2. And we'll do create. Okay. Okay. Now you can see the current data set extract 1 and the other data set that you have appended, that is your data set 2, and before you append you take a screenshot, and this is your first screenshot. Okay. So this is your screenshot 1. Screenshot 1 will show that you have been able to use 2 data set. Okay. Actually here. Yeah. Okay. So after that, we will just append it. And it will bring up the data from both the data sets. Okay. Okay. So after this, what we will do is we will enrich the data set with time and geographic hierarchies. So what you will do is you will leverage the semantic enrichment functionality. SAP Lumira Cloud will enable you to create time and geographic hierarchies available for navigation in the visualizations. So first will be time hierarchy. So what we will do is, from the left we will pick the dimension called service date and we will create a time hierarchy. Okay, so we come here, let's pick service date. Okay, and then here within this option we will create a time hierarchy. And here you will see that within the time service date you will have the year, quarter, month and day showing. Okay. Okay, so let me see. So you can see the year, quarter, month, day within the dimension of the service date. Okay. The next thing that we will be creating is a geographic hierarchy, and then within that what we will do is we'll get into city and then we will create a geographic hierarchy by names. So in order to do that, we'll get into city, then okay, get into this, create a geographic hierarchy by names, by city names. Okay, in the region we will click state and then we will choose city and then we will confirm. And then you will see the geographical data will include the city and the state and the city, and then we will say done. Okay, now I would like for you to show me that you have done the geographic state, city and the time service date, this portion of the screenshot. So I would like for you to take a screenshot of this place, the dimensions which shows time service date and geographic state. Okay, these two I want you to show me. So that's the second screenshot. The third one, what I want you to do is go to the display and chart geographical measures. So for that we go to visualize. Okay, then from the geographic maps, actually here geographic maps, we select GeoPie chart. Okay, now after that we have to add the measures. So what I would like you to do is post-paid revenue, region and IS roaming data. So post-paid revenue, region and IS roaming data. Okay, now I want you to show me only US. Okay, so we can just move it around. Okay, so your work will be now you zoom in to show me continental US and then you basically take a screenshot of this map and paste it to your Word document. At the same time, I would like for you to look at this, the postpaid revenue, the non-roaming and the roaming date. So if you come here, look at here, for California, IS roaming, it's not roaming, postpaid revenue is this much. Okay. For Texas, postpaid revenue, you can find out. Same thing. Okay. For Florida, roaming, you can find out if it is non-roaming or roaming, and then you can find out also the postpaid revenue. For non-roaming, you can find out. For roaming, you can also find out. Okay. So this is basically what information you are getting. Texas non-roaming revenue, Texas roaming postpaid revenue. So basically it helps you to dig deeper to find out information. So after this, what you need to do is save it as Telco Map 1 last name and save it as Lumira Cloud. So file, save as, and I would choose SAP Lumira Cloud. And once you are working on the assignment, once you started it, it will ask you to open an account in SAP Lumira Cloud. Please do that. I already had the account, so it did not ask me. Okay. Okay. So I'll type in my last name, Telco Map 1. Okay. And I will just save it. Now after that, I will also integrate another Excel file. However, the structure of this file is not the same, so I cannot append, but I can just merge. So I will show you how to merge another Excel file there. So once it is done, I go to prepare. Okay, so here I will go to combine. This time I will not append because they are not similar structured file, but I'll merge and I'll add new data set, Microsoft Excel. Next, I will plan launch, and this is what this 5 column 14 rows I'll create. So this is, the current one and the lookup data set. Now you have the service plan from here, plan name, and you have also the service plan name. These two information you can have from here, you're merging. And so basically at this point, you need to take a screenshot and paste it to your Word document, and then you can click merge. Okay. And click save, submit Word document. So in this assignment, what you have done is you have learned how to visualize data by pulling up data from multiple files, appending them when the structure is saved, merging them when they have different structures, and you have also learned how to create a GeoPy map and how to explore further. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.